Your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus.
And welcome back to today's video. My name is YOUTBER and you're welcome back to another tutorial video. So I stumbled across this video on Instagram and this hairstyle on Instagram, and I instantly fell in love with it. I said I was going to recreate it, and it took me a lot of time to finally get a hang of it. And I decided, you know what, I might just make a video about it and show you guys how to create the hairstyle in case you want to try out the hairstyle. And I think I really love how it came out. Not exactly the one I saw on Instagram, but I mean, it's not supposed to be exactly it. So this is the hairstyle, and I really love it. And if you like taking care of your hair by yourself, if you're trying to grow your hair, if you're trying to learn how to make your hair like I'm trying to learn how to make my hair, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, without talking too much, let's get straight into today's video. So yeah, I tried to stretch out my hair a little bit using a blow dryer, but you can do this a night before or a day before, or you can also use the African threading method if you're trying to avoid using heat on your hair. But then because I'm in a bit of a rush, I didn't do much, even though I think I'm generally okay with little that stretched my hair to the extent. I think this is just okay for me. I can make do with this for the hairstyle that we're going for. Yep. So for this hairstyle, we are trying to achieve a curved part. It could be a bit difficult at the back if you do not have any mirror to look at the back of your hair. And when you're done with that, you could go ahead with any gel of your choice. I said to use a hair wax to hold down my hair. That way, it doesn't break my hair as much as gels do. So I decided to use a hair mask to um put my hair together, and I would just go ahead and tie it up to two buns and then braid the buns. I did divide the bun into three and braided them, or into two. Because of how thick my hair was, I did two braids, so three braids rather, of my hair. And I used a pack of braiding hair, or rather half a pack of braiding hair for this hairstyle, and I think that was even too much. You can use less than that. And if I'm to advise you, you should buy an already pre-stretched hair. Do not buy hair that you have to start stretching it out from beginning, because that took a lot of my time and it's not something I'm so good at. So after doing that, I divided the hair into two. That's one out of the two packs, or out of the two there's in one pack, and combed it out. And we went ahead to attach each one using a hairband to my hair. Now here's the tricky part. I initially saw the lady that I saw her hair on Instagram twist hers, but I decided to braid mine because the twisting wasn't working at all. So I braided mine all the way down, and it was quite difficult to braid it, but I think I liked the look of the braids more than I liked the look of the twist. And then one thing you have to have in back of your mind is that you're going to braid all the way down, and then at the end of your braids, you're going to leave just a little bit of hair and use a pin to hold it down. Now, better off after doing the first part, the second one, I realized that I had to braid each one first of all, get all my braids done, then begin to twist the braids one by one while attaching it to my hair. This can take your time because you would definitely need to cover every part of your hair or try to use a pin to safely put the braids on your hair. And if you want to see exactly how I was able to wrap this around my hair, I would put a time frame on the comment section so you can quickly skip to it and see how I was able to wrap my hair. And I will just tell you to be aware that this hair could unwrap with time, so you need to safely pin it because mine did unwrap a couple of times and I kept having to pin it until I was able to pin it down properly. And I had this hair on for about a week before taking it down due to the fact that I'm on natural hair, so my natural hair started popping up.
The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want don't want you, and who you miss don't miss you. You know, your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we are that spiritual. We see you drowning with the tides on your soul. You know we love you. We love you. If we love you, then corrections on the way there. In Jesus' name, them strong codes, I ain't staying with you. Oh my mama, let your brother fall down the ladder to dishonor. The blood on your hands when you don't say nothing. If you love him, then you gotta say something. Say something. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want don't want you, and who you miss don't miss you. You know, your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we are that spiritual. We see you drowning with the tides on your soul. You know we love you. We love you. If we love you, then corrections on the way there. In Jesus' name, them strong codes, I ain't staying with you. Oh my mama, let your brother fall down the ladder to dishonor. The blood on your hands when you don't say nothing. If you love him, then you gotta say something. Say something. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus.